Why did we come back? To find inspiration in the flames, satisfaction in the dust, victory in the air. To make waves. To enjoy the view. Soak up the atmosphere. Rewrite the rules. Fight every limit. Make history. Why did we come back?